Hi, Mayuri. This story is for you. You know, with your everyday create every day, I have lost fear of facing the camera and gained confidence in doing my stories. Thank you very much. I would like to introduce at this juncture two words. This is for you, you can learn it. I'm a Keralite coming from Keralam. So I'm going to introduce two new words here. For fear, in Malayalam it is Bhayam, and for confidence it is Atma Vishwasam. So with your help, I have lost Bhayam of facing the camera and gained Atma Vishwasam to do more stories. Thank you very much, dear.